I'm Prachi Gupta. Welcome to today's COVID Bulletin. As testing plays a major role in combating coronavirus, various researchers across the world are trying to develop cheap and quick diagnostic kits to enable mass testing. In the same league, scientists from the CSIR's Hyderabad-based Institute, Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology or CCMB, have now come up with a low-cost and low-tech kit for COVID-19 testing. The kit works on the principle of reverse transcription nested PCR and is much cheaper than the currently used RT-PCR based tests. The kit does not even require high-tech equipment and has shown comparable performance to standard RT-PCR. The scientists have also examined the use of this new kit for pool testing and for direct amplification without RNA isolation. The new kit awaits approval from ICMR. Let's hear more about this test from Dr. Rakesh K. Mishra, Director, CSIR CCMB.
We don't need the RT-PCR machine for this. We take the RNA that was converted into DNA. That DNA we put for a simple PCR, but this PCR amplicon, which is the region of the RNA that we are going to amplify, will be a little bit bigger, let's say 500 or 800 bases long. And then once you do few rounds of amplification in that, then we apply secondary PCR or the nested PCR within the first PCR. So first PCR, if it was 800 or 500 bases, now we will choose within that region something like 200, 300. So now earlier there were very few molecules. Now by primary PCR we made more copies. Now with secondary PCR, among the more copies of the primary PCR, we will be amplifying. So it is a very sensitive technique. Even one single molecule, you are very likely to pick as a positive. So normal methods, they work with certain sensitivity. This method works at far more sensitivity compared to normal RT-PCR methods. At the same time, when the method is very sensitive, this also brings the risk of detecting false positive, because if you are not very careful, if even in the by air, by anything, even few things, similar things came in during your test method, you will get a positive which will not be real positive. So that is why there more robustness has to be brought in this method. Robustness in the sense lack of contamination. Contamination you can avoid to some degree easily, but beyond a point, then you have to sterilize the whole room. You have to make, for example, what we do in the lab is in a separate room where there is no entry of anybody and is no DNA floating anywhere. So those are the things we have to optimize and make the method more robust. Then it can be used in the field conditions. But at the moment, we are at the stage where we know that we can detect this using this technique, which will be cheaper, which will not require RT machine. And we have put this results, these finding in what is called a reprint repository or archive called bioRxiv, which is a very good place to deposit your results so that people can comment. All experts, scientific community can give their input, and based on their input we can further improve and then eventually publish it for others to use.
Different individuals are taking up different measures to increase their immunity to ward off coronavirus. Palampur-based CSIR's Institute of Himalayan Bioresource Technology or IHBT has developed a ready-to-eat Ayurvedic khichdi, which will serve the same purpose. This khichdi is made up of rice, lentils, turmeric, amla, fenugreek, mint and harad. This easy-to-digest khichdi is a nutritious diet for an individual of any age. This instant Ayurvedic product is being prepared commercially in other states including Delhi, Punjab and Uttarakhand. It is being prepared in large quantities for the disasters struck in Kerala, those affected in the cyclone in Odisha, and for the consumption of laborers in Himachal Pradesh and other states. The institute has transferred the technology for commercial production to various companies for its large-scale production. Let's hear more about this khichdi from Dr. Sanjay Kumar, Director, CSIR IHBT.
Khichdi is a very nutritious food of our country because it's a very balanced food full of protein, carbohydrate, fat, etc. And in Ayurvedic also there is good description of Ayurvedic khichdi. So what we have done is to make it Ayurvedic khichdi, and as per literature, we added certain important ingredients such as amla, fenugreek seed, etc., and which make it more medicinal sort of khichdi, and so that which can also boost immunity if it is needed. So now this, then what we did in this khichdi, we use our ready to eat packaging technology, and whereby we do not add any chemical or preservative to extend the shelf life of the produce. And once you pack in that tin, then our food is stable for 1 year. So even up to 1 year, you just open the can and eat it, and it will be as fresh as it is cooked, right? And since we do not use any chemical or preservative, it has got amla and other things, so it's very healthy. It can be very useful for the people in this COVID-19 pandemic, when people were to be quarantined. So for all the quarantine people, we supplied this khichdi, but with some variation. We added some potato, aloo, so that we call it as aloo dal chawal mix sort of, you know, so that it gives a nice feel when people eat it. And also when there was a problem with Odisha, there was a cyclone crisis in Odisha, we supplied around 3 lakh uh, canes of this khichdi, around 175 ton. So huge quantity our entrepreneurs can produce it and supply it as and when it is needed.
The Department of Biotechnology and Biotechnology Industry Research Assistance Council, or BIRAC, are contributing to Bio-India bilateral discussion under Bio-Convention. Through this forum, the challenges beyond the COVID crisis and their possible solutions will be discussed. Also, this bilateral event will explore policy enablers and environment to make India a global leader in biotechnology in the post-COVID world. That is all for today. We will be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. Namaskar.